What Gloucestershire College is doing is unbelievably important, not just for all of us here, but more particularly really for our children, and if we're old enough, our grandchildren.
The project has involved installing ground source heat pumps in each car park, drilling 40 boreholes 200 metres deep. At each site we've got about 1,500 solar panels on each roof to provide electricity. We use the electricity to warm the air coming up from the heat pumps, which then gives us carbon-free heating, and we've got our own solar power source, so carbon-free electricity.
One of the things we looked at is how many trees would we need to plant if we were to not do this work and just offset the college's carbon emissions naturally. And it would have been a forest the size of Gloucester to enable just the college to decarbonise its own asset. So if you think about all the buildings that are in Gloucester, multiply that out, that would have been effectively a forest the size of the UK just to decarbonise Gloucester. So doing this is really important, and that's why Gloucestershire College is such a leading example of how we should be approaching the decarbonisation agenda to make sure that we are building a planet that's fit for the future.